Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to just help you to understand and reflect myself on systematic review papers and how we conduct search operation in Scopus. There are definitely Google Scholar and Joster and Web of Science. Web of Science is pretty much considered to be the best option, followed by Scopus. How to operate Boolean search operation in Scopus. So today I'm just trying to bring to you this step-by-step guide so that it will be helpful for you when you conduct search operation in Scopus. More or less in other like in Joster or Web of Science or Science Direct, the key terminologies or operation, Boolean operation structure is almost same. However, there are slightly differences. So to dive into it, let's go. I have a topic. My topic is Nepal's renewable energy transition and economic policy and socio-technical assessment. So to capture as far as possible all the manuscripts or articles in the available articles, I have to put together, for example, in the search key or operation, I have put Nepal or Nepalese or Nepali. Either of these terms are used in the paper will be reflected while searching. And that's first part. In second part, you can see different color on the in my topic as well. It is differentiated by and renewable energy or clean energy or sustainable energy. These are put under within the inverted comma or double quote commas because these are broader terms, and within it now we can see or denoted by or hydropower or hydroelectric or solar or photovoltaic or wind or biomass or bioenergy or electrification or energy access or transition or energy transition. All of these come within either renewable energy or clean energy or sustainable energy. And in the third part, I've got policy, economic, policy, and socio-technical, including assessment. Let's see these terms as well. It's policy or policies or governance or regulations or economics or socio-technical or social or community or rural or energy security, because this is also broader term, or assessment or evaluation. So I put it here so that I can just copy and then we can go to, let me just copy and let's go to Scopus. Now I start from the beginning. I have already searched it. However, I will show you from the beginning. This area should be Scopus, not Scopus review. If it is in the review, then you can't operate search. And here you should have your institutional ID, either from university or maybe from other institutions as well. Then what you need to do is you click first at this icon, search icon. It will take some time. And let me just remove it. I click at search and it will give this whatever. Just click. You have to be careful with this. Here on the last out of 3. It says advanced document search. Click here. Oh, I should have clicked it first. Reset. So this is my key words or search string. Now I just have to hit search. Now it's working. It will pull out all the articles or review papers or books or conference papers all together in this list. Let's see how many it will generate, then later we can clean those or delimit. For now, just if you see here, it says search within all fields, but let's limit it with title, abstract, and the keywords. At the moment, you can see 100,236 documents altogether, which is huge. Now let's limit it from drop down menu. You can select article title, abstract, and keywords. Do same in the other sections as well. Again, hit it search. Most probably now it will reduce the number of papers, a number of documents. Let's see how much or how many documents it will show. It's working. It will take some time because it's analyzing within it. Still it gives, maybe it should come down. Oh, see, it's coming down. It's coming down all of a sudden to 1,647 documents. Now within this as well, it's, if you consider too many, 26, it's already showing 26. We have to limit it to 2025. Okay, let's give it from 1967 to 2025. You should have reason, valid reason why you want to limit from certain year to certain year. You just have to be clear in your rationale. Now this has come to 1647 documents. Now from here you can choose. I don't want to have conference paper, books, chapter, review, it's okay. Article then. I selected 2 out of available options. Then it's fine to have from Nepal, article, key terms human, okay, that's fine. Maybe if not needed later I can come and just remove unnecessary ones. And English, I want to have all of them in English. Let's see, territory, India, limit, it's okay. No, friends exclude, limit to. If I have to, there, see here, there are 2 options, either exclude or limit to. Now I have clicked that has to limit it to English that I want, and let's click Australia, India, United Kingdom, United States, and Nepal from the region, and limit it to key terms. Nepal, definitely, article, hydroelectric power, and also humans and human, limit to it. and do not that means exclude conference paper, book chapters and books. And in terms of subjective area, limited to science and planetary, engineering, energy, social sciences, environmental. That's fine to limit. Now you just have to, for now let's see how many total papers. It's 1647. Now when we apply those all criteria and limit it to, let's see how many papers will be there. We applied the filter option. It should come down. Let's wait for some time. It's still working. Our search operation has three distinct categories. First, Nepal and synonyms, then renewable energy and its synonyms and its different types as well. And the third part, policy, economic and governance or socio-technical assessment. Now paper has drastically reduced to 463 only. Now what you can do, if you want to read all the abstracts of those 463 papers, you can just click over here. It will display you all the abstracts. Go down, you can scan it this way, and maybe if you want to just export, then export it to either RIS. If you do it, I will do in Mendeley. Let's see, fetching data to export Mendeley, track status. You can export it for now. This is how you can work on systematic review paper, and to supplement your systematic review paper, you definitely have to apply PRISMA model. And if you apply to that PRISMA model, and you can use this search string or Boolean strings to conduct your literature search. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to put those comments in the comment section. Thank you for your time and watching this video.